Hello guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to tell you using Google Maps for autonomous vehicles. So guys, using Google Maps for autonomous vehicles involves leveraging its details map, real-time traffic data and AI features to help self-driving cars navigate safely. The maps provide precise roads, levers, lane information and traffic conditions. AI predicts traffic patterns, suggests optimal routes and helps vehicles avoid obstacles. Integrating Google Maps with sensors and cameras allow autonomous vehicle to make accurate real-time driving decisions, ensuring safer and more efficient journeys. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.